Hi, my name's Sean Good and I'm an attorney with the Good Law Group. In this video, I want to talk about how Social Security is going to be implementing new identity proofing protocols to prevent more waste, fraud, and abuse. This news comes in the light of DOJ doing their audits at Social Security, and this is going to be somewhat of a big policy change. It is not totally in place yet, but for many, many years, Social Security has relied on individuals' Social Security numbers, addresses, phone numbers, and medical records to validate their identities. And most practitioners and Social Security employees would probably agree that the way that Social Security has been verifying people's identities to prevent fraud has worked for a long time. Aside from individuals applying with their own Social Security number, filling out things like their address and phone number and date of birth, Social Security typically collects thousands of pages of individuals' medical records in order to verify a claim or to see if a claim is viable. So it's impossible for a fraudster to contact Name Your Favorite Hospital System and convince them to adjust thousands of pages of medical records to trick the hospital into helping them get disability benefits. These records are produced by the hospital system, and a fraudster isn't going to really have access to them. While the problem is probably small or non-existent, identity theft protection is probably a good thing. And Social Security has released some information about what their plan is. So their plan going forward is they've discussed eliminating all phone applications, which is one of the best ways to apply. And they're going to make people apply online. And in order to apply online, you're going to have to make a My Social Security account at ssa.gov and go through the ID.me security protocol to verify your identity. I personally have done this. I do Freedom of Information Act requests, and it is required. Typically, it can be done on a smartphone. You take a picture of your ID, you take a picture of yourself, it will scan your face like in a little oval, and your identity should be verified. Now, I'm tech savvy, I haven't had any problems, but I do think that the older generation may have problems. And as they talk about closing field offices and making elderly or disabled people come into the field offices to verify their identity, that presents challenges itself. I'm going to post a link in the bottom of the video where you can get updates on the ID proofing plan and process. It's not in place yet. This is just something they're talking about. So thank you for watching this video. If we can help you with your Social Security case, please give us a call at 800-419-7606.